We are at Pushpadeep Infrastructure, a real estate project in Greater Noida, Delhi. Once complete, this will house 1,000 families over 50,000 square feet.
ये प्रोजेक्ट हमारी लाइफ के लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट प्रोजेक्ट है, इसलिए हमने हर स्टेज पे बहुत अच्छा काम करने की कोशिश की है। जब बात आती है वाटरप्रूफिंग की, तो बिल्डर के लिए वाटरप्रूफिंग बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होती है। उसके लिए हमने बहुत रिसर्च करने के बाद एशियन पेंट ने नया सर्विस लॉन्च की है जिसका नाम है स्मार्ट एश्योर, उसको चूज़ किया।
Applying the product which has been approved by technical team of the builder. For professional execution of the waterproofing work, Smart Assure team is using mechanized tools. Each phase of the work is tested to satisfaction. Regular reports about the product application checklists and progress of the project are being shared with the site authorities. The work done seems satisfactory. But is it so simple? Or there is more to it?
किसी भी स्ट्रक्चर की लॉन्ग लाइफ और इंटीग्रिटी के लिए वाटरप्रूफिंग एक बहुत ही क्रूशियल पार्ट है और ये डिपेंड करता है कि वाटरप्रूफिंग का एप्लीकेशन किस तरह से किया गया है। किसी भी स्ट्रक्चर की सक्सेसफुल वाटरप्रूफिंग के लिए एग्जीक्यूशन इज द मेन पार्ट एंड इट डिमांड्स डिटेल प्लानिंग।
We plan everything scientifically. We study the project and its environment. We choose the right application and its ancillaries. We train the applicators and prepare the surface. And we test it both before and after the application.
Execution is the key for successful waterproofing of the structure. Excellence in execution is achieved by extensive planning and alignment. Smart Assure adopts a project management approach for execution of waterproofing projects. There is no room left for surprises. Timelines, labor and material schedules are decided and reviewed. The application method statement is drawn out and approved by all. Everyone is on the same page before the action plan gets into play. CAD drawings and isometric drawings, specially customized for the site, are minutely studied to plan execution with details of terminations and overlaps.
We were told about this portal, but the Smart Assure portal really works well. Sitting here far away from the site, we can really monitor and understand the progress of the waterproofing project that we have undertaken. There's a lot of planning, lot of work, lot of documentation and smart use of technology at play here. We know everything about the schedule, the red flags about the process, the progress. It brings total transparency, and this portal serves as one point contact for escalating any of the concerns that we have about the project. I'm quite happy that I can raise all the concerns in this single point of contact, and from one place sitting here I can understand the entire project progress. So this is something which I can do sitting far away from the site from my office space here.
Meanwhile, back in Delhi, the Smart Assure team is in action. Of course, apart from the training, the first step is to study the surface and prepare it for the application.
I have about 6 years of experience in this field. Yes, Smart Assure experience is very different. We are not just applying some chemicals. Asian Paints has given us special trainings. We are taught exactly what to do and what to not to do, and right way to execute the job at the site. We execute this work with professional and scientific guidance, and I definitely able to do a better job.
Here we were able to pinpoint the issues specific to this project and we resolved those. We also know some problems might come up in the future, and with Smart Assure, we assure you that we will be there at that time to resolve your problems.
Smart Assure is not a one-time service, but a long-term one-point solution. Meticulous data capture and scientific analysis make it easy to solve problems should something come up in the future.
आज हमारा वाटर प्रूफिंग का काम कंप्लीट हो गया है, लेकिन जब हमने इनको काम दिया था उसके बाद से हमने रेगुलर चेकअप किया, जो हमने देखा कि ये बहुत प्रोफेशनल तरीके से काम कर रहे थे। बीच में जैसे मैं ऑफिस में होता हूँ तो भी मैं बैठे बैठे वहाँ से पोर्टल पे चेक कर सकता हूँ कि क्या चल रहा है साइट पे, और जो ये कमियाँ थी हमारी, इन्होंने बीच में आके हमें गाइड किया कि ये ठीक करा लें तो और बेटर होगा। उसके बावजूद हमने इनका काम देखा तो बहुत अच्छा काम हुआ। वेरी गुड, वी आर ग्लैड कि हमने स्मार्ट एश्योर चूज़ किया।
Also, we can hand over the progress documents and portal details to Housing Association while handing over the project. The portal is one point of contact for all customer grievances.